Join me today. We are right in the most expensive square mile in Africa, in Sandton City Central. We are at Masingita Towers. This place has absolutely a lot to offer. We are now currently on the ground level, on the pool deck, where you can enjoy absolute fantastic afternoons just outside your lovely restaurant. You've got exquisite luxury apartments all the way in this hotel-style building. There's plenty of videos to share with you on the tour of this place. Let's go see what we've got to offer. Right here in Masingita Towers, where you get all amenities. Wellness is everything. At your doorstep, you've got a fully kitted gym where you could start up your day or end your afternoon with a great workout. Come, let's move on to other amenities. Welcome to this 2-bedroom unit, right in the heart of Sandton Central. Great location, absolutely in the center of everything else. Leisure hubs and business hubs, where convenience is really at your doorstep. On the right-hand side, you've got a very tastefully, elegantly clean, modern kitchen with appliances. You've got your stove, your hob, and all of these are Smeg appliances. You've got your kitchen over here with space for 2 appliances. Down the counter, absolutely welcoming space to actually steal the views of the northern side of Joburg. You have your dining space and your lounge, so you could be sitting preparing meals while you're entertaining your guests and also having the luxury of seeing your lovely views. In this location, views are everything. Come join me, let me take you through to the master. You have your guest room over there on the right-hand side, and stepping into your master bedroom, you still get the benefit of the lovely views through the window over there. Lovely and comfortable, tastefully furnished. On this side, you've got your bathroom, full bathroom with double vanity, a bathtub, and a shower. What I really absolutely like is also that you've got a sliding door over here that absolutely affords you the privacy of wherever it is of the 2 rooms that you'll be in. Let's go now to our 2nd bedroom in the space. So lovely to have the curtains open.
Amazing.
Isn't it amazing? Can you imagine just... I think what I absolutely also enjoy, Vicky, is that, it soaks up the bulk of the sun in a day, right? So from throughout the day, imagine the winters being very warm and cozy into your living space as well as your bedrooms. Stepping into the 2nd bedroom, where you have also a very decent space. I must mention that I like the fact that both bedrooms have got this space that you can purpose it into a workspace for those young professionals that will be attracted to the space, or a family where you have your young one doing their homeworks over here, or alternatively, you put up your TV and your entertainment to enjoy in your bedroom.
Oh, that's lovely. That's a nice size, eh?
Absolutely.
And I love this ceiling to bottom windows.
Windows, absolutely, which is great for lighting as well as great for warmth. I think everything very sleek and clean, the tiling, the wooden floor, absolutely giving it a very nice, comfortable, and yet tastefully luxurious feel. You have your bathroom on your right, and that's a wrap of the space. If you'd like to have a view of the entire tour of this facility as well as the unit, give me a call. My name is Tsecho from Luxlift Property.